It was a celebration of life lived in godliness, service to humanity through kindness and peaceful coexistence with all, as remains of late Mrs. Rebecca Egolum were interred at her country home in Ukwu. Late Mrs. Rebecca, popularly known as Uluma while she was alive, was a mother of our renowned ABS broadcaster, Mrs. Egolum. She died at the age of 91. Correspondent Kenechukwu Chukwudi was there and now reports.
During the funeral mass in her honor at St. Anthony's Catholic Church, Enugwu, Reverend Father Clement Ufaro reminded Christians that death is a sure end for all mortals, which all must be prepared by living a Christ-like life, following God's teachings and commands, while praying for the repose of the departed soul.
Let Christ and listen to what He told us, to abide in Him so that we will be able to bear much fruit. And we shall abide by Him by keeping His commandments. And He summarized His commandments in one sentence: to love one another.
The Commissioner for Culture, Arts and Entertainment, Comrade Don Onyenji, who was at the burial to condole with the family, noted that while working for ABS and living at Enugwu when Anambra State was newly created, the late Madam Rebecca Egolum was welcoming and a very nice woman to all, praying that God grants her eternal rest. The member representing Njikokatu constituency, Honorable Jude Apua, and Miss Amaka Opalango, an extended family member as well as friends and well-wishers, bore testimonies that Mbulumma lived a good life and sympathized with the family, enjoining them to take solace in God. The ABS family, led by Director of the News and Current Affairs, Mr. Gabe Opaleze, turned out in their numbers to console one of their own, Uju.
We are asking them to mourn like those who have faith, who are Christians. Because Christians believe that the mortal body is the one that is dying, that the soul is living.
Speaking to the ABS after her mother's interment, Mrs. Uju Egolum described her as an epitome of beauty, humility, kindness, and one who lived a fulfilled Christian life, admonishing all to live consciously and positively.
Epitome of beauty, and humility. She's a kind woman. That's why they are calling her Ochila also. She took care of all the people around her, even at Enugwu, even Amobia and down here at Enugwu.
Mr. Francis Egolum, one of the deceased sons, remarked that the mom had a beautiful soul who was welcoming and loved by all around her, appreciating God for the blessings and longevity she enjoyed. The burial ceremony featured condolence visits by family, friends, and well-wishers.